All right, so here's what comes in the box. You get all your poles and they're all labeled. You get your main frame that's just gonna open right up, some stakes, your walls, a bag and sandbags, and instructions. All right, step one, unfolding the frame. So that's what it looks like after step one. So step two is attaching the canopy top. We're just gonna unfold the fabric and place it on top of the frame and then secure it using the Velcro connections. So you need to find the corners first, which are easy because of the stitching. But when you do, then you find the Velcro underneath and you'll see the Velcro right here. So that's just gonna go right over, and so it'll secure itself really well. All right, step three, unfolding the frame fully. You're just gonna unfold it by pushing the leg sliders up like you see there. So it's just gonna fully extend, and then finish attaching the canopy frame using the Velcro loops inside. So we'll show you how to do that. Extend this up like that. And you'll notice it has two parts, this one, and that. So I only extended one here to get it going. There we go. Now we've got it fully extended, and the next part is to take the Velcro here and just attach it to the frame. So we'll just un-Velcro it, wrap it around, and stick it on. So we're just gonna put these walls on a little at a time. All right, so on step three, you see how it's not quite all the way up? So if you hit that red button and then push it up, it's gonna pop into that hole and then it'll snap out. So just make sure you do that on all of it. And then you can take this Velcro and Velcro it to the frame. So then on the inside, after step 3 and 4, you'll have all the Velcro done around the top and then down on the frame as well.
And it's rolling.
All right, so this is how big it is, fully extended with the walls down. It's got plenty of headspace. I'm 6 feet tall and I don't have any problem fitting in here. So we're gonna be able to fit at least our family of 6 in here pretty comfortably with a table, chairs. But if we need extra space to extend, we can put those out. If you need to adjust it and you're not staked down yet, you can grab this, but see how I can't really do it by myself? So if you have 2 people, you can grab the legs and the frame and then just rotate it. So you really need 2 people if you want to move it, but you can probably set it up by yourself. All right, so you just stake those poles in, get those 4 in. Mind not to bend the metal. All right, so step 5 and 6, securing the canopy in place. So now we're going to take the stakes and put the 4 corners in, but then we're going to undo the Velcro on these. And we could fill the sound bugs up and have those way down the sides, but we want to do what's here on 6. So we're going to take the poles and extend those. And it does say the supporting tubes on the ground, use the ropes fixed on top, could do that. So we're not going to fill up the sandbags today, but we are going to take these poles to extend the walls on the side. All right, so in this bag comes all the stakes and then the ropes to extend the sides. All right, so to extend the sides, you're going to get a 1, and then you're going to attach a 2 to it. So you just take the 2, make it face the same way, and just stick them together, 1 and a 2. And then the 3, it's going to have that coming out of the top. You see the 3 there, so we just stick that together the same way. Didn't say this in the instruction book, but we can figure it out because we know 1, 2, 3. And then we have our full pull. So you're going to do that, you're going to have 4 of those. So we just put the thing through the Velcro on the top. If you do all 3, it's going to be actually higher than the side. If you want it to go down, you just do the top 2. So you attach number 3 to number 1. But then you pull this rope out and then tie it off and stake it in. So if you stake it with all 3 fully extended, the problem is there's nothing to keep it taut in the middle, even with the ropes. So I recommend you take number 2 out so that you can have a little bit more tension, and hopefully we can fix the shade barrier here. We'll try that.
All right, and here's what it looks like with the poles dropped down
And the full thing extended, this is your completed canopy. It's looking pretty good.